everyone.
Thanks for tuning to Cook with April on Tasty Tuesday with our taste tester, Justin.
I'm here.
Today, we're gonna make a delicious chocolate brownie cake, and it's made with zucchini. It's so moist, so I'm gonna call it a summer chocolate brownie cake. The reason why I call it a chocolate brownie cake is because it's really moist like a cake, but it's got the outside crunch like a brownie, so I don't know what to call it. Brownie cake. Anyways, stay tuned. This is so good. It comes with cream cheese frosting and some fruit. So before we begin, let's preheat the oven to 350 degrees. You'll need salt, baking soda, all-purpose white flour, granulated white sugar, vanilla extract, ground cinnamon, unsweetened cocoa powder, cream cheese, powdered sugar, melted butter, and these three are actually for the cream cheese frosting on top, 4 eggs, vegetable oil, grated zucchini, and any fruit that you like to make your fruit, your brownie pizza. But I chose blueberries, kiwis, and raspberries. I just wanted it to be colorful. So the first thing we're gonna do is grab a large bowl, and we're going to mix the vegetable oil and the sugar. Give that a good mix. Instead of a hand mixer like I usually do, I decided to just go for a whisk. Because with brownies, you don't want to overmix, because when you overmix, it gets hard. And then you're ready to add the eggs. I'm gonna do it gradually. We're gonna add 1 egg at a time and mix. Oh yeah, this is a workout, you guys. Get them arm muscles, y'all. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna make up something. Like, I don't think it's ever been done. Work out in the kitchen while baking, and then get your calories back and then eat it. Okay, I'm a mess. But for real, like, I feel the resistance when I mix. Okay, we're good with this. All right, you guys, for the lighter workout. I mean, that was tough earlier, right? Like, so much resistance mixing. So now we're gonna do all-purpose flour in a different bowl. We just wanna mix all the dry ingredients together so that they're nicely mixed. And then cocoa powder, give it a good mix. Baking soda, salt, ground cinnamon. So now we're ready to add the dry ingredients, just gradually. Just do a little bit of this and then mix. This is when a stand mixer comes in handy, because then it'll go, and do it for you. But you know what? It is all good. I do have a stand mixer. I just don't use it as often. And then you just mix. And then it's like, girl, just put it in. So, I'm gonna mix, mix, mix. And then add the vanilla extract. Mix that good. I love vanilla extract, it just smells so good. But have you guys ever tried it? It doesn't taste good. I remember, I think it was in middle school, I tasted vanilla extract because I'm like, oh my god, it smells so good, let me try it. And I'm like, what? And then later I learned it's just for aroma. And now we're ready to add the zucchini. So this part, you're gonna wanna make sure that your brownie's completely mixed, because then this is just folding in the zucchini. So let me just kind of get all those dry ingredients, scrape it into the batter, That's looking good. And then I'm gonna grab this. I usually use, like a rubber spatula to fold in, but Jakey was playing with that earlier this morning. So this works just as well. And now, my hands are clean, you guys. I'm just gonna add it gradually and fold that in. Have you guys ever made zucchini bread? Zucchini bread is so moist. So I know for sure this brownie is gonna be crazy moist. Just because I know zucchini just makes it magical. Do you guys have allergies? I know I don't have a cold, but I swear, I think it's allergies. This season, it's been bad for Justin, and I've never had allergies, but something's in the air, because I swear, I think I'm starting to get it. So So I folded it in, and that's it, you guys. Like I don't need to fold anymore. Like completely done. Grease a pie pan, and let's pour that in. Now we're ready to pour it into that pie pan, you guys. Or even a cake pan. Whatever works for you guys. I'm just gonna fill it up a little past half. So you might have a little bit of leftover batter, but you don't have to waste that. I'm gonna put mine in cupcake liners. So that is actually almost there, you guys. There we go. That's looking really good. So we're almost done, you guys. Let's bake this brownie for 25 minutes at 350 degrees. So while the brownies are baking, now is a good time to make the cream cheese frosting on top. If you don't like cream cheese frosting, you can make it chocolate, or you can make chocolate cream cheese frosting. All you need to do is add cocoa powder to that. But I like regular cream cheese frosting. So what we're doing is we are going to add cream cheese. I put 8 ounces in the microwave for about 20 seconds to just kind of soften it up, or it'll be really hard to mix. I am using a hand mixer, not my muscles this time around. Why do I add? And then we're gonna add some melted butter, makes it delicious and creamy, and then we're gonna mix. You see that? And then now we're gonna gradually add the powdered sugar. Forgot to show you guys in the ingredients, but I like to add a bit of vanilla extract, so I'm just gonna add maybe eyeballing, that's like a teaspoon, and then mix. And then for the cream cheese frosting, it's all about tasting it and seeing if I want it to be sweeter or not so sweet. So I'm gonna just give it, okay. Hand mixer knew what was up. I'm gonna just give it a taste. That's perfect. I don't want to add more, so I didn't use a full cup of powdered sugar, maybe like 3/4 cups, but this is perfect. All right, you guys, the brownie, I let it cool down for about 10 minutes or so because you don't want it to be so hot that it'll melt the cream cheese frosting. And look at these edges. They look so crunchy deliciousness. And I put a fork in just to make sure, you know, it wasn't raw inside. Okay, so now we're gonna add that frosting right on top. I feel like the amount of frosting that I made is perfect, and that was just 8 ounces of cream cheese. And then you're gonna just spread it good. So now we're gonna add the fruit. I'm gonna start out with blueberries. I honestly don't know if I'm gonna create a pattern or not, but we'll see. Then I'm going to add raspberries. And then kiwis. Taste tester is here.
Oh my goodness.
I already tried it. I tried the little muffin ones, these little guys right here, and then I took a bite of this one. Oh, Justin's gonna roll his eyes, you guys. It is crazy moist, and if I didn't put the frosting on the side, try the edges. It's the brownie part, like the crispy edges. It's so good, you guys.
Okay, not only is it incredibly moist,
the edges.
your description of it being a cross between a brownie and a cake is accurate.
Oh yeah.
This is incredible, and with this is like still a little warm, came out of the oven, and the cream cheese frosting on it. Her cream cheese frosting, hands down, is the best topping on anything. And just that combined with the fresh fruit, this is like a perfect summer dish. I would say a little bit of pecans or walnuts inside it.
He's a nut guy.
I feel like every chocolate recipe I say that, but like I think that might take it up a notch. Just like a little bit of crunch in there with it.
Baby, I will put some nuts on top of yours. Call it a day. It's good. You guys, we haven't even had lunch yet. We're over here having dessert before lunch. High five if you do the same. High five.
Boom.
Oh, this was good, you guys. You guys have to try this one. Anyway. Thank you guys so much for watching. Who wants some? Take some. I can't eat this all. I can't. Anyways, friends, we appreciate you guys for watching. Give it a thumbs up. Give it a try. Let us know.
Yes, please.
Send pictures. Send it to me on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. I'm April7. How about you?
Advice from Justin.
Advice from Justin. And also subscribe to this channel. And we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.